welcome back to my channel. So as I was editing my video, I realized that I did not film an intro, so here I am to just film a little bit of an intro for you guys. I did a video on how I do my winged eyeliner using a liquid eyeliner, and if you want to know how I do it, I am wearing it currently as well the next day, then just keep on watching, okay? And let's get to the tutorial. The eyeliner that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. It is the Mega Liner from them. It is honestly the best eyeliner I've ever tried. Only $5 or maybe even less. You can get it from the drugstore. It's so black, so precise, but honestly you really have to work with it really carefully because it's super black, and once you mess it up you have to kind of take off the whole thing. So this is what the tip looks like. I still have the henna on from a wedding, so ignore that. So this is what the tip is. It's very precise. So the way I do it is first I create the little wing, and a really easy trick to do it, or easy way to do it, and this will make sure that every time you'll get your both eyes the same way, is because you are going to look at your lower lash line and just imagine that this lower lash line continues to go up. So you see that this lower lash line is not going to continue to go this way. This is to, like, it curves down. The lower lash line is not going to go this way either. The lower lash line is going to keep going up. But it's not going to go up like this way. So you have to find the angle. So for me, it would be this way. So that's where I'm going to draw my line. One very simple line. Like that. I usually stop there. As you can see, this line is continuing my lower lash. I'm going to zoom in for you. Now the next step, we're going to do the upper part. I start with the inner corner, and I'm just gonna keep doing the line until it connects the very end of the first line that we just created. You're gonna see what I mean. You're gonna kind of want to make sure that the inner part is a bit thinner, and as you go out it gets thickened. Sometimes I like to just go from the very end and connect it straight here because it's better. And now it's time to color it in. And ta-da! It's all done. As you can see, I only dipped in my brush once, just at the beginning, and it made me do the whole entire eye. So next I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll be back once it's all finished. So this is the finished eyeliner look. This whole makeup look, I filmed it, so if you want to check it out, stay tuned because it's coming. And thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped you a little bit. Honestly, creating the perfect eyeliner, it just takes practice. I've done it so many times that I can do it so quickly and so easily, and it just comes to me. So I'm sure it will work out for you too. Hope you found this informative a little bit. Check out my Instagram, please. It is linked down below. I also have a personal account if you want to follow me there. I've also linked down there. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye.